Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hair smooth and silky at home. First, always choose a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner to protect your hair's natural oils. When rinsing, use cool water. This helps to close the hair cuticles, locking in moisture and boosting shine. After washing, gently blot your hair with a soft towel instead of rubbing vigorously. This simple step prevents frizz and reduces potential damage, setting a strong foundation for truly silky strands. For an extra boost of smoothness, incorporate a deep conditioning mask into your routine 1 or 2 times weekly. You can use a store-bought product or create your own with natural ingredients like mashed avocado or warm coconut oil. Apply the mask evenly from mid-lengths to ends, then leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the nourishing ingredients to deeply penetrate each strand, significantly improving texture and softness. When styling, protection is key. Before reaching for any heated tools, always apply a generous amount of heat protectant spray to shield your hair from damage. For wet hair, use a wide-tooth comb to gently detangle, preventing breakage. Furthermore, consider switching to a silk or satin pillowcase. These materials create less friction than cotton, significantly reducing frizz and preventing hair from becoming rough or tangled while you sleep. For a perfect finish, apply just a few drops of a lightweight hair serum or argan oil to your ends and mid-lengths. This will tame any flyaways and add a beautiful, lasting shine. Gently brush your hair with a boar bristle brush. It helps distribute your natural oils evenly from roots to tips, enhancing overall smoothness. Remember, a balanced diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids also contributes significantly to healthy, silky hair from within.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.